What is going on, beautiful people? It's your real estate go-to, Deontay, here as always with another reaction video for you guys. And with these reaction videos, as you know, we're following thought leaders, we're following industry experts in regards to what is currently going on in the real estate market and peeling it back even closer to our Orlando market, so we can see what's affecting the nation and if that is congruent with what's going on in Orlando. So with this video, as you see, we're talking about the high mortgage rates and how it is impacting home buyers. Now, a quick caveat. I have seen this video, okay? And you're going to see why I've seen this video. It's very special. You know, it's a very unique surprise, I would say. So stick around for the entire video because you're not going to want to miss this. Also, while you're here, hit that like button, subscribe, make sure you hit that notification bell so you guys see all these videos that come up. So let's take a look at it. Many of you guys have experienced, have heard about the high mortgage rates. So let's take a look. This is from CBS News. And let's see, CBS Evening News to be specific. And let's kind of see what they are saying and how it is also translating to our market here in Central Florida.
Home buyers across the country have been feeling the pinch when it comes to rising mortgage rates. The average 30-year mortgage is approaching 7%. That's nearly 2 points higher than a year ago, and it's more than double from 2 years ago during the low point of the pandemic.
Now, before she continues, what's important for us to realize, and what you guys have heard me say over and over and over again, when you're ready to buy, you buy, regardless of what's going on, because no one is able to predict these things, right? No one has a crystal ball. And if they say they have a crystal ball, I encourage you to run, right? So when COVID happened, yes, now hindsight being 2020, but when this happened, we thought the world was going to fall apart, right? We didn't expect these interest rates to be at historic lows, as you see. 2021, 3%, 2022 last year, 5.3%. Now they're at about 6.9%. And that's going to vary with your credit score, your income, your down payment, and all those things. But you see overall how it continues to increase. So if you were planning on, hey, we're going to see what happens next year, and you said that in 2021, you cost yourself a couple $100s, right? Now, if you said, hey, we're going to continue to wait because we're expecting to go down, you see we went from 3 to 7. That's, 500, 700 plus on your mortgage rate, if not more. So one thing I want you guys to take away from this is if you and your family are ready to go, you go, right?
In tonight's Money Watch, CBS's Carter Evans and Mark Strassman report higher rates have led to two very different housing markets.
Cole and Chrissy Robinson are finally unpacking after a daunting search for a house in Silicon Valley.
What was it like shopping for a home in this market?
There were 15 other offers on this house.
So you really went to battle.
Yes.
We did.
Home prices here have seen...
Now, what I will say is there are still multiple offer situations in the Orlando area, but how I preface this is for the homes that are move-in ready to go, already have the floors, already have the new paint, already have the granite countertops, new roof, AC. You see how I'm painting that picture? Those type of homes have those multiple offer situations because, as I described it, just like you're picturing it in your head, other people want that same product, right? So when other people want the same thing, you have multiple offers and it creates that bidding war. So we still are facing multiple offer situations in those circumstances.
Some of the steepest declines in the nation, and it's drawing in buyers despite higher mortgage rates, according to real estate agent Kelly Dipple.
There's more buyers than available homes.
Why are there so...
That statement is also still true here in Central Florida. Our inventory is still not at the point where it supports kind of that healthy real estate market, right? It's still too low for the amount of people who want to buy a house.
Few houses on the market.
People that have locked in these low interest rates, are they really going to want to sell their house and buy something else for close to 7%? They're going to hang on.
This 4-bed, 2.5-bath in San Jose is listed for $1.5 million. Still an eye-popping number for most of the country.
Is that a deal?
Yeah, I would say this is priced competitively.
Now, you hear that. This is in California. So a deal in California is $1.5 million. So I want you guys to take that number and understand why people from California, for instance, New York, for instance, are coming down here, because that's also what is pushing our prices up, because a deal for them is $1.5 million. They could buy 3 homes here in Central Florida at that 500, 550 price range, have a bigger house, have a newer house, and it makes sense to them. So that is what they are facing over there. So naturally, that's why we're having such an influx of people coming here, and prices continue to rise as you're experiencing yourself.
California home prices jumped during the pandemic, but now with tech layoffs and remote work, they've declined as some here choose to move east to more affordable states, driving up home prices there. My colleague Mark Strassman is in Florida.
Here in Orlando, a seller's market. Home prices keep rising because inventory, available houses for sale, keeps falling.
Like I just mentioned. Oh man, look who is that? A surprise guest. Do you recognize that guy in the light blue shirt standing there? I don't know. Let's see.
Avel Ramirez, a luckless home
Y'all recognize that smile? I don't know. Can this guy really be on CBS News?
shopper in Orlando, his hometown.
I'm looking basically an hour out into cities and towns that I don't even know about.
In Orlando's Orange and Seminole counties, the median home price almost $432,000.
Now keep that in mind. The median price at the time of this showing, $432. The lady in California said $1.5 million was a good deal. So you can kind of see, if people have the means to move across the country, they're going to do it, and they're going to pick up these homes, which makes it tough for us that are living here right now, and makes us have to move further and further out from the Orlando area to those, Davenports, Auburndales, Haines City, Kissimmee, even if we're looking up north, Deltona regions, Groveland.
24% spike in 2 years. Advice to buyers: prepare to settle for less than your dream home. Bring cash offers and close quickly. How quickly can you sell a house?
We're seeing them gone within 3 to 5 days.
On 2 different coasts, homes for sale sit on a lot of frustration. Mark Strassman, CBS News, Orlando.
Yeah, so it is tough. What I always encourage my people to do, reach out to me, because we're able to put a plan in place. And the thing is, I'm going to be transparent and honest with you. You're not going to get every single thing on your wish list. It's just not going to happen because the price doesn't support it. But what we're able to do is frame it to where you get the key things that you want in your home, and get in the home before you get priced out. Unfortunately, I have been in situations where some of my people have been priced out, and it's not a good feeling. So, reach out to me, guys, whether you send me a direct message, you can call or text me. You'll see that in the description below. So we can make this happen for you and your family, regardless of the situation. And never forget, always remember, in real estate, there are only 2 people that can get you exactly what you want, okay? That's D and you. Talk soon, guys. Peace.